What's going on, everyone? On this how-to video, we are going to take a look at setting up your Google reviews and some kind of best practices around that as well. So first thing, if you don't have your Google reviews and your Google My Business account synced up with this, you absolutely should do that. The power of being able to get 5-star reviews on Google and having your presence get higher and higher and higher in search results is it's unparalleled. That is the best free marketing that you could possibly do. And all it does is take you a couple minutes, if that, to get everything set up here. So definitely make sure you get your Google review set up. By default, we'll kind of go through some of the info, how it works here. It's got it in AgencyZoom here has a template that will kind of filter some of the results for you. So basically anybody that gives you a 1 or a 4-star on their little survey right here is going to be taken to an internal form that they can fill out. And then when you click on the Google review, it'll show you at risk, right? And it'll give you the ranking. And then if they left any comments or anything, so that way you can proactively reach out to those people so that you can prevent yourself from losing them. It will also, if they click on 5 stars, take them to the Google review. Now you can also control that, right? If it's by default, if it's 5-star, then send the Google link. In the settings, you can control that to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. So if you want somebody 4 and up getting it, then you can have them directed to your Google review page or your Google My Business page to leave a review. Now, as far as best practices go around this, so the template I mentioned is already pre-built for you here. It's just named Google Review Template here. This is what they've got. This is on the scale of 1 to 5. The Rate My Agency, that's the stars button there. Now, I think there are times when this is helpful. I would say what I would personally do is I would maybe tweak this a little bit and send it after a service request has been completed, and keep that filter on. So that way, if somebody had a poor service experience or had a poor claim, even if it wasn't your agency's fault, if they had a bad claim, they didn't get what they thought they should have gotten out of it, you can kind of filter them out, right? So that way they're not leaving negative reviews on your Google page. What I do and what I recommend for new business in your onboarding is having a whole different email, a whole different template go out and take them directly to your Google My Business page, right? And I know that thought kind of scares a few agents out there saying, well, what if they leave me a bad review? Listen, if they just decided to do business with you, they're not going to give you a 1-star review. If they thought that little of you, they wouldn't have given you money to begin with. So if they signed up with you, they're going to give you at least a 4-star, if not 5. So I say just send them directly to that Google My Business page. And the reason for that is the conversion from clicking 5 stars to clicking on the Google review isn't tremendously high. You can kind of make it a little bit more clear in the template if you want. But I think that block is working a little bit too well, and it doesn't always get those 5-star reviews into your Google My Business page. So on onboarding, after they've become a new client, I say send them directly to Google My Business. On a service request or a claim that's been closed, I say send them this template so that way you can filter out anybody who may have had a negative experience. So that's it for the how-to today, and please keep an eye out for any other videos. If you have any requests, shoot them my way, and I'll make sure to get them done for you. See you guys.